Hello and welcome to episode 1 of CONEXO TV. My name is Thomas Volp and I'm the product owner of CONEXO. Today I will introduce you to the basics. CONEXO essentially consists of 4 components. First, the CONEXO portal. The CONEXO portal consists of a web server and a database server. It can be installed locally in your data center and requires no internet access. Alternatively, we can provide the service of hosting the CONEXO portal in a secure cloud in Germany. The CONEXO portal is the control center of CONEXO. Here you can map the digital twin of your plant structure, create, manage and import products and components. Define maintenance templates and assign specific maintenance to the individual components. You also have an overview of the functional locations and components and can track what has happened at any time. As a plan constructor, you can export a complete plan in CONEXO format with the entire documentation, or you can use our export function for conventional documentation. Here, all references, certificates and documents are stored in folders in a structured manner. You can make these available to the customer simply by using a zip file. The second module is the CONEXO app. It is the mobile front end for work at industrial and pharmaceutical plant. All information about the components and assemblies of the plant can be called up in it. For example, you can see detailed product information such as material number, ordering and delivery information, as well as technical specifications. In addition, you always have operating instructions as well as certificates and attestations for your products at hand. The clue is that the CONEXO app is completely offline capable, which means you don't need a connection to the CONEXO portal and can work even in remote areas without wireless LAN and Ethernet. Clever algorithms allows us to recognize duplicate documents and save storage space. This makes it possible to have data from complete systems available completely offline on modern smartphones or tablets. Notes and further information on functional locations and components can be entered at any time. Thus, the early shift knows what the night shift has already done and the work on the system is permanently documented in the system. In the future, you will therefore be able to evaluate how your system's stability is performing in relation to the suppliers and products you use. In the maintenance area, your mechanics can carry out the maintenance that you have planned for you in the CONEXO portal. Using templates, you can also guide less experienced employees step by step through the maintenance process. When a diaphragm is changed, for example the old component is scanned with the RFID reader for removal, then it can be evaluated and photographed. The new component is then scanned for installation. Here, the product type and the age of the diaphragm are verified to ensure that it is the same product and that the storage period has not been exceeded. The last 2 components are our RFID reader, the CONEXO pen and of course the components to be identified. The RFID reader is connected to the smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. To identify, install or remove a component, scan its RFID chip. To do this, press and hold the red scan button and the LED will light up red. The RFID reader signals that no chip is within range. As soon as you approach the RFID chip, the reader beeps and the LED turns green. The data is now transmitted via Bluetooth to the CONEXO app and proceeded by it. That was episode 1 of CONEXO TV. I hope you enjoyed it and you will look back soon. Thank you and see you soon at CONEXO TV.